What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today, it looks like we could be trying to put in a bottom here. This is a 4-hour chart, hitting off this 200 MA on the 4-hour if you're an MA person, but really just holding some areas that we have bounced from in the past, right? This 4509 has been pretty relevant, as you can see from here. We've ripped up, reclaimed 45.25. And we said we knew if that held anything 45, I was looking at 44.95. Not going to lie. 44.95 to 4,500. I really wanted, we got a few points away from 4,500, but ultimately held 45.09. That should have been your trigger right there to know it's to get long. And you could have rode that up to 45.45, right? Went right to that level here today. So what does that mean for tomorrow? Well, really quickly, we had Apple and Amazon report after hour. Amazon immediately green boner candle to the upside. Apple was running a little bit, dumped a little bit on the earnings, but ultimately, guys, it really doesn't matter where those stocks end up. All it matters, because we have to wait for the conference call, right? It's all about the conference call, and it's all about where we are at in the morning, right? Where we're at in the morning. So let's look to see what we should expect for the morning, right? Let's make sure we got tomorrow on here. We have some pre-market data, right? Pre-market data. Here it is. We've got non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate as well, all at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's 1 hour before before market open. Then it doesn't look like we're going to have any data that comes in after the open. That's really nice. No University of Michigan data, no consumer sentiment data. I'm actually kind of excited about that. So we just have to worry about the pre-market data. I think really the number they'll be looking for is the unemployment rate, but the non-farm payrolls will be the biggest. Non-farm payroll is what they're going to be looking for. So we should see a little bit of movement in the morning there, but then no data after the open. So very excited about that. Onto the charts. Look, as long as we stay above this 45.09, I think it's long. You can watch and play this break a whole 45 to the upside. From there, I ultimately think 45.60, 45.75 to 45.80 from there. SPY chart. Where did we bounce from? 448.50. I mean, bounce right there, 448.50. What? Zoom out, look left. See, that's where we bounced last time. Maybe some leftover demand. Little liquidity grab below. Liquidity grab below and jump up. Could not get through this area that we have marked here, right, where we failed after I was 441. Sorry, I'm so used to yes. 451. 451.50. Break and hold 451.50 is going to open up. I believe it'll open up 453.50, 455 above. Any dips into 448.50, I'd like to hold and look for the grab. Now, if we do get below, I would not short this. I don't think the R&R is here for the short because I think we have this huge gap fill bounce that we'd be looking at 444. That's a long for me. Book it there and buy some time and enjoy the swing. QQQ, what's going on with tech? Held our level today. What was the level? 372, 372, 372. Why? 372. Look left. Look left. It's told you right there. You could have taken this trade off the bottom, ran up to 375. Now, we have to get back through 375 and hold to take out 378. So any dips into this 372, I'm looking maybe a slight liquidity grab down. Okay, maybe a slight liquidity grab down, maybe to 370. I don't think there's a short trade here unless we get a lower high, right? So we have to break down and then reject this level for me to look at the short. And other than that, it's been by the dip format, right? It's been by the dip format. And if we gap up on Apple and Amazon tomorrow, I think it's more likely we have a nice rebound. Rebound day, is it a dead cat bounce day? Is it just a rebound? I don't really care what it is. I'm going to trade what's in front of me. If the long trade is there, I'm going to take the long trade. Okay, back above 378 would really mark a bottom above their 380. Last but not least, IWM. Seems like there's been a rotation into small cap land, right? Or growth, whatever you want to call it. So does that mean that this area has been balancing here, right? We've been balancing in this zone now. We've been talking 193.50, 193.50. Get it tattooed on your fucking forehead. It has been giving you a trade over and over again. Still have to take out 196.50 to the upside if you do 199. I like dips at 193.50 to get bought. If not, I still don't think there's really a short trade here. You're still going to bounce at 192. Guys, that's all I got for you. Remember. Play the chart, not your heart. Trade around your levels. Wake up early. Get your levels right and don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.